You are coming at this critical moment. We are PDP. I've been at the saddle in River State. What is code bringing to table that will change the narrative in River State?
We are bringing a fresh hope into River State. We are bringing development into the state. But more importantly, we are bringing jobs that have been lacking for our youth into the state. Security is an issue of unemployment. It's an issue of our youth not having anything to do. And so the best way to tackle insecurity is to ensure that young people have jobs. Once you can bring jobs and you can bring hope to the future, then you begin to tackle the issues of insecurity. And so it's not a kinetic approach, but it's one that you must apply non-kinetic approaches to bring in solutions to insecurity.
Sorry, Excellency, one last question, sir. I mean, everybody was thinking that someone like Dakuku Peterside was going to elect the consensus candidate of your party, and then we see a Tonye called emerge again. I mean, pockets of side jobs here and there. What are your thoughts concerning something like Dakuku endorsing?
First of all, Dakuku Peterside is a friend and a brother. He's somebody I've known for a long time, but he shows the strength of democracy in River State, where people like Dakuku Peterside, people like Tonye Prince Will can come together to support a Tonye Cole for the great office of Governor of River State. And that is the beauty of democracy. It's the beauty of the new APC that we have in River State. And I want to thank Dakuku, I want to thank Dawari George, I want to thank Tonye Prince Will, I want to thank Chief Ebenezer, Chief Mene, Chief Tele, so many others that stood with me for this epoch moment. Thank you to all the great APC faithfuls for bringing us to this point.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.